So here's how to do affiliate marketing on Pinterest. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to sign up for your affiliate account on Amazon. Once you have created an associate account on Amazon, now here you have to select for the products that you want to promote. Amazon gives you a wide range of products that you can promote anywhere. First, you have to select your product, and then here you have to click on the image to download the image. Once you have downloaded the image of the product, now here you have to go back and open your Pinterest account. Once you are logged into your Pinterest account, now here you have to click on the plus icon to create a pin. Then you have to select the pin option and then click on the image to upload, and then here you have to give your pin a title. You can simply copy the title from your Amazon store. Once you have copied the title of the product, now you have to paste this title on your pin. After pasting the title, now here in the add link option, you have to paste the link of the product. Go back to your Amazon account. Now here you have to click on the text option, and after that it will give you a link. Now you have to copy it and then you have to paste this link into add link option. Now click on the go to save the pin. Once you have saved the pin, now you have to click on the publish now option, or you can simply click on the next option to publish this post. Whenever someone click on this link to buy a product, you will get a commission. So this is how you can do affiliate marketing on Pinterest.